All right, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Soundwaves coming at you with a live tutorial on how to hook up 4 decks. Yes, how to use 4 decks with your DDJ-SX or DDJ-SX2. Not sure if it works on any other controllers, but I know it works. I know obviously it works on the DDJ-SX2. Not sure about the DDJ-SX, but I'm assuming it will. Nobody has, for some odd reason, nobody has done a video on this, so I am going to do a quick video. For anybody that has a setup like this, or is thinking of getting, the reason why I did this, I have a mixer, or I used to have a mixer, an awesome Denon DNX 1700. It was an amazing mixer, but I found myself not using it a lot, along with the CDJ2000s. I do a lot of mobile gigs, so I found the controller to be a lot easier. Panning over to this, in this box I have a DDJ-S1 that I bought just as to screw around. I found it on Kijiji, got it for a good price, and I found myself actually using that more than my main setup, mainly because the ease of setup. It took me 4 times as long to hook up all these, having the Serato box, all the RCAs, the big mess of wires, whereas with the controller, it literally one wire, one USB to the computer. I have a power bar set up in there already to plug everything in. It was just so much easier, so I decided to pick up this bad boy yesterday. And today I'm really finally spending some good time with it and seeing how everything works. To hook up these, the CDJ2000s, hook up, and you can use the 900s, you can use 2000 Nexus, 900 Nexus, I think anything 900 up. Not sure about the 800 series or not. Hooks up via one cable, one RCA cable to the USB hub in the back here. I'll zoom in a little bit. So you'll see both, where's my thumb? Here's my finger. 1 and 2 represent the 2 CDJs, and then this blue one goes straight over to the DDJ-SX. Okay, and that gets everything hooked up. Once you have it hooked up, you press the link button. The link button will give you your choice of decks 1 through 4. I have it set up as this is deck 3, the other CDJ is deck 4, and of course this one being 1 and this one 2. This stuff works awesome together. I should have done this a long time ago. I sold my mixer almost for the price that I bought this. I sold my mixer for 900 bucks, picked this one up for $1,100, including tax. Yeah, it's maybe expensive to you guys in the States or in Europe, but in Canada it's an awesome price, to tell you the truth. They usually go for about, I think, $1,100 plus tax or $1,200 plus tax. Anyways, I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration of how these work. So here's decks 3. And the accuracy is awesome. It's better than it was when I had my mixer. I don't know why, but it is. Here's decks 4. Cue points. And just to show you, reverse. That works. All your cues work. And then of course you have these ones. And even the accuracy for this. Awesome accuracy. Oh, then I just had this one here for scratching. Anyways, that goes without saying. What I did not know is the effects in here. You've got, here's your channel 1 and your effects for that channel. You can turn them on or turn them off. Now here's the second channel. Now this represents this CDJ. So you turn those effects on and I'll show you. Here's echo. So your echo still can be controlled from here. Here's a flanger, and here's a repeater. So everything can be used, all the effects from here can be used with this channel, which is awesome. If you want to use the keypad for this deck, all you got to do, push this to 3. Now I don't have any more selected, but roll. You can use your roll here. Slicer. So you can use all the effects on here with this. So if you don't want to, if you don't want to touch these, if you want to have, you know, your CDJs for, you know, your everyday use, if you really love the CDJs, especially like I do, I didn't want to sell these, and this is the reason why I didn't want to sell these. You can do all that. Even for you guys that, you know, go nuts and use 4 decks, even if you want to do sync, you can actually turn sync on by pressing this. Let's get to, there you go. So you can turn sync on and off on the CDJ. Now if you put it back to deck 1, so there's deck 1, there's your sync. So you can put sync on all of these things. Oh, let me shut my freaking heater off. Stupid thing. So that's what I wanted to show you. You know, everything is fully usable. So it's not like you're buying this and then you can't use any extras for your CDJ. You can use everything you have on here. You can use it towards the bigger platter of the CDJ, and it all works amazing. I'm telling you now, it works amazing. It all hooks up very easy. So for anybody that's curious on you know, actual 4-deck use, I'm telling you now, this is an awesome setup, and I probably will, I don't know, maybe I was going to get the DDJ-SX2. The DDJ-SX2 is a great machine, but the reason why I went with this is because I have 2 CDJs to screw around at home for my home studio for making remixes, and when I want to go on the road, I've got this bad boy here. So it's the best of both worlds. Anyways, enough jibber jabber. Soundwaves, peace out.